Do you want to speak at work? Let's learn easy office English step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome to the office. Today we learn how to talk at work.
Good morning, Chani.
Good morning, Ben. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you busy today?
Yes, a little. I have a meeting at 10.
Okay, let's work together.
Ben, where is the desk?
Oh, this is the desk.
Okay. Where's my computer?
This is your computer.
Good. Where's my meeting?
It is in the meeting room.
Thank you, Ben. Let's say the word together. Desk, computer, meeting, paper, pen. Good job. Now, grammar. Use I have plus a word. I have a meeting. I have a computer. Say it with me. I have a meeting. I have a computer.
Chani, are you ready to go to the meeting?
Yes, I have a book. I have a pen. I have my water bottle.
Great. Let's go.
Great job. Now you can talk at work. Next time, talking about your day. See you.